Welcome back! In the last video, we learned how to find great travel deals online. Now that your trip is planned, let's make sure you can get around with confidence. Today, we're looking at one of the most helpful tools out there, Google Maps. Whether you're driving, walking, or riding public transportation, this app can guide you every step of the way. What is Google Maps? Google Maps is a free app and also available online on their website that helps you find places, get directions, see traffic or public transportation information, and explore things like restaurants, landmarks, gas stations, hotels, and more. Let's say you're visiting Chicago and want to go from your hotel to a museum. Open up the Google Maps app or go to maps.google.com on a computer. In the top bar, type your destination, in this example, Field Museum. It has located our destination and now we can tap directions. In order to get there, you're going to want to select a starting point, so go ahead and select this box, and you can let it auto-detect your location by selecting this option, or you can type in a location. Now you can choose your mode of travel. By default, it's going to select driving, but you also have the ability to select public transport, walking, and bicycling. On the map, you can select from different available routes. The shortest one is typically selected first, but if you wanted to use an alternative route, you could select it on the screen. And then when you've selected the route that you want to utilize, you can click the preview button and begin driving towards your destination. You don't have to keep looking at your phone. Once you click preview, your phone will talk to you, giving you directions out loud, perfect for when you're driving or walking and want to stay focused. You can also save places like your hotel, your favorite restaurant, or a park. I'm always up for a Starbucks run, so I'm going to select Starbucks on the map here by clicking on it. And then in this menu, I'm going to click this icon, which is the Save icon. From this menu, you have the option to save it to a list. I like to save lists based upon places that I'm traveling to, so I'm going to click New List. And I'm going to name this list Chicago. You can keep this list private, or you can share this list with others if you're traveling with other people. This is a nice way to share all of those saved locations so that everybody's on the same page of where you're going. Now I'll just click Create, and that Starbucks is now saved in my Chicago list. Another handy feature is this quick access menu where you can quickly navigate towards your home. You can look for restaurants or hotels or gas stations in your area simply by clicking on that icon, and it will provide you all of those relevant results right on the menu, including gas prices. If you're traveling to an area with spotty cell service, you can download maps ahead of time on your phone. In Google Maps, you're just going to search for the city that you're going to go to. In this case, it's going to be Chicago. And then once this menu comes up, you're going to scroll to the right, and then you just want to select Download Offline Map. This will save the map to your phone so you can still get directions without the internet. I love that feature. With just a few taps, Google Maps can help you find your way, discover new places, and even stay safe when you're in a new town. In our next video, we'll talk about some handy safety tools and travel prep apps you'll want to bring along. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope now you are more tech-wise.